MCA career point. So here is an opportunity from the Synergy company. So you can go to the website synergysolutions.asia careers. So here you can find the current job opportunities. You can find here. So excellence is not a destination or a setup. So we Synergy believe in empowering our people to achieve more and deliver high value service to our customers. So these are the opportunities. Senior software developer, so 5 to 6 years. So freshers, internship, software development. So location Bangalore and eligibility BE B.Tech. So fresher students are eligible for this opportunity. If you are interested, you can apply for this position. So link is provided in the description box, and you can share to your friends also, those who are in need, and like the video for better reach. So you can submit your resume to this mail ID and share to your friends also. Thank you all.